Welcome to the Easy Writer channel. Weight loss tips. Are you looking to lose weight to improve your appearance, your health, or even both? If you are, you may be looking for advice. The good news is that there are a number of tips that you can use to help you successfully lose weight and hopefully achieve your weight loss goal. With regards to shedding pounds, everything that you can manage is practice good eating habits. Practicing good eating habits includes watching the food varieties that you eat, not really how much food you eat. Obviously, you might need to limit the measure of food varieties that you eat when on a diet eating routine, yet it is more critical to zero in on the food varieties that you do eat. For example, if you somehow happen to eat organic product rather than chips, you could have more natural product snacks with your dinners than you would have the option to in the event that you were simply to eat lousy nourishment. Since practicing good eating habits is a significant part of getting thinner, you might be considering how you can approach doing as such. One of the principal things that you ought to do is discover and acquaint yourself with good suppers. You can do this via standard web search or by purchasing an assortment of smart dieting formula books. To decrease the fatigue regularly connected with smart dieting, particularly on the off chance that you are not used to it, it is significant that you flavor up your food varieties and attempt to not eat similar suppers again and again every week. Regarding good dieting, customary exercise is additionally critical to weight reduction. On the off chance that you are hoping to shed pounds, you should begin an activity plan for yourself. Exercise is significant as it consumes of calories. At the point when you consume calories, the measure of calories that your body assimilates diminishes. This is, basically, what makes it feasible for you to get more fit. On the off chance that you haven't been practicing consistently previously, it is significant that you move slowly. Exercise is an extraordinary method to get thinner, yet you would prefer not to try too hard, particularly from the outset. In the event that you don't presently have an activity plan or program set up, you might be pondering more about what you can do. One of the numerous ways that you can approach discovering activities or exercises to do is by purchasing an assortment of wellness magazines. Numerous wellness magazines have nitty-gritty activities laid out in them, frequently joined by pictures. You may likewise have the option to discover free instructional exercise recordings or exercise moves on the web. As an update, it is imperative to begin moderate or possibly start with practices that would be simple for you to. Practicing good eating habits and ordinary exercise are both significant segments of getting more fit, yet there are extra tips that you can use to assist you with shedding pounds. One of those tips includes discovering an exercise accomplice or an exercise pal. This is an individual who can practice with you, regardless of whether your activity includes visiting a neighborhood rec center or simply taking a stroll at a nearby retail plaza. Having an exercise accomplice may assist with keeping you spurt, and it might assist with continuing practicing and shedding pounds fun and energizing for you. Another way that you can go about effectively accomplishing your weight reduction objective is by spicing up your activities. As recently referenced, you can utilize the web or wellness magazines to discover exercises for you to do at home. To help diminish the weariness frequently connected with practicing, you will need to switch around your activities regularly, consistently. For example, one day you might need to utilize a treadmill, the following day you might need to lift loads, and the following day you might need to do an activity DVD, etc. You ought to likewise consider making exercise and good dieting logs or diaries for yourself. These things can be utilized to keep tabs on your development. In the event that you have a decent week, similar to one where you finished the entirety of your activities, you might need to consider compensating yourself. Your reward doesn't need to incorporate food, it very well may be something as straightforward as a sticker or getting yourself a film. Diaries and logs have been known to help numerous people hoping to shed pounds, and it very well might have the option to do likewise for you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.